In more news, Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy's sister Y.S. Sharmila continues to stage a protest in Hyderabad against the KCR government there, and she was detained during the protest. Now, Republic also spoke to Y.S. Sharmila, who will soon be launching her own political party in Telangana.
Well, now a new party which is all set to float in the state of Telangana. Well, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy's sister Y.S. Sharmila is joining with us on Republic TV. Ma'am, you did a mega rally in Khammam the other day. You also decided and you also announced that on 8th of July, on your father's birth anniversary, you will be launching a party. Why this? That Telangana has already fought so much for a separate state. Coming from Andhra Pradesh, why do you want to start a new party here?
What do you mean coming from Andhra Pradesh? I have lived in Telangana, in Hyderabad. I have studied here. My life is here. My children were born to me here. I am a local here. What do you mean I am from Andhra?
Okay.
So why not? If I think that the government is not doing a good enough job, then what makes you or anybody think that I don't have the right to fight for it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So the other day you also announced that you will be on a hunger strike as you got permission for 8 hours, and later we saw that you were marching, but police did not allow you to march all the way till here at your house. So what exactly transpired in that meantime?
We had asked for a 3-day permission for this hunger strike. And the reason for this is that the government of Telangana has refused to issue notifications to fill in the jobs, the government jobs, since 7 years. So since 7 years, there are no filling of these jobs. So in the recent past, we have seen hundreds of suicides. You know, these youth, there is an age limit, and the closer it gets to that, they get hopelessness, and this is what it has led to. So in order to fight for them, we decided that we are going to carry on with this hunger strike, and after this also we are going to, in every district, we are going to conduct relay hunger strikes, and this will continue until the notifications are issued for the youth of Telangana. So initially we had asked for a 3-day permission for this hunger strike. When KCR can do a massive rally for Nagarjuna Sagar by-election, and he was given the permission for it, I do not understand why we are denied this permission.
What is your next strategy before you launch the party, and how will you be contesting? Will you once again be on the roads like you were in Andhra Pradesh while election time? Will you be campaigning on the roads again? And also, what will be the main agenda behind your party's launch, as you have been saying that Rajanna Rajyam will be brought back in Telangana?
Yeah, when I say Rajanna Rajyam, I mean my father's welfare policies and his development programs. What YSR did was, it was a wholesome development. It was wholesome wellness for the people of United Andhra. So that's going to be our agenda. And yes, as you asked, yes, I'm going to connect to the people. I'm going to go down to the roads, to every house. Yes, that's the plan.
Will you be contesting in the 2023 Assembly elections?
Exactly.